Mes élèves de français 2, bonjour. Can you believe that it's your last week of school today, this week, starting today, your last Monday of school and your last week. Félicitations, you are almost done. But before that, we need to get ready for your end of the year interview. So today, what we are going to do together is not to, I'm not going to give you any assignment for today. Your assignment will be to review for yourself, to get ready for Wednesday, to make a pause, knowing that you don't have a specific homework for today. But it's very important that you take the time, sorry, I made a mistake here. It's very important that you take the time to review all the documents I sent you, I'm sorry, a couple of weeks ago. And these documents are, let me show you. First, this is new, so let's go here. Here, your rubric. These are your rubric for your interview. That means that I want you to take the time to read this, because I want you to know how I'm going to grade you, what I'm expecting from you. We have been working very, very hard these past 2 weeks to get ready. But it's extremely important that you go and you read this to make sure that you understand what you can expect. So I'm going to see the language complexity. So that means you have all here. Fluency, you have everything here. So please, the time, read it. Don't come Wednesday without reading this. So you have language control and the structure, the vocabulary. So don't use only like je vais faire, je mange, say more things. You know, the interview is going to last about 10 to 15 minutes. That's about the time that it's going to take you, maybe a little bit more. But for it to last long enough for me to be able to grade you, to have a long enough interview to grade you and to be, to know exactly where you stand, it's important that you had things to do, that you have things to say, things to say. So when I will ask you a question, take the time to respond. Take the time to respond. Don't rush and say 3 things and it's done. No, take your time. That's why you have been practicing. So today, what I'm asking you to do is for yourself. Do this. Go again. Check what we did so far and practice, okay, for yourself. And because it's going to be a face-to-face Zoom interview, you won't be able to read, and I will take the question I will ask you. It's not all the list of questions you have that I gave you to practice, but I will pick some of the sentences, some of the questions, and depending on how the conversation is going to be, I will ask you more questions. And that's why you had so many questions, so that we could have a very interesting conversation, and not only maybe 5 questions and that's it. That's why I gave you so many questions to work on, so that you will know what to say. You'll have different things to say. I hope that you understand what to expect and what to do. if you still don't understand, you can call me, and you can call me not during the day, because I have other student scheduled to call me and to have a direct Zoom conversation today. But during tutorial, after tutorial, you can call me, after 4. If you need more information, more clarification, you can call me on my Google Voice and we'll be able to speak, and even if you want to come to stay to tutorial, it's fine, because tutorial is not obliged to end at 4. It's 4 the limit, but if you want to stay a little longer to know more, it will be possible. So the other information I want you to check is the vocabulary. So you have a lot of vocabulary here. So when you continue to practice today, make sure that you can use different vocabulary. When I ask you about the restaurant, how you can, what you have in the restaurant, you have different to describe the restaurant. You have different words here. When I ask you what you do in the morning, after waking up, you have a lot of information, different vocabulary, verb here, okay, verbs. And when I ask you about the house, you see, I ask you about the different rooms of the house. You have so many vocabulary here. You have a large vocabulary. And also when I say to describe your bedroom, what kind of furniture you have and everything, you have enough here to do a very good job. And this I sent you, remember I sent you that a couple of weeks ago. And the other thing I wanted to see is, of course, the end of the year closure interview directions. So here I'm telling you how it will be graded. Your answer to each question will not be right or wrong. It's not because you are going to say, oh, it's like, it's not wrong. Every single person of you will respond differently. So there won't be any right or wrong, but it will be the attached rubric that will help show you what to expect. It will be not true, faux, vrai, faux. No, it won't be about that. So take the time to read this, okay? And this, the topic of the questions is this, d'accord? And I gave you a sample of answers. They are here. So I put some samples here. In red, it's our list of questions. And here, like bonjour, when I say bonjour, où habites-tu? Dans quel type de logement? Bonjour, j'habite à Londres. Et dans un château, par exemple. But please don't use the example, the samples I wrote here in red. They are just examples to help you. Par exemple, quand on dit est-ce un grand ou un petit restaurant? C'est un grand restaurant avec des murs rouges. On dit tu es invité au restaurant avec des amis. Décris le restaurant. So when I say décris le restaurant, these questions are to help you. Est-ce que c'est un grand ou un petit restaurant? Combien y a-t-il de tables? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur les tables? Et je vous dis, use the vocabulary. And I gave you the list. Et qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur le menu? Qu'est-ce que tu vas commander? So it's also on the vocabulary list. So please be more, soyez posé, be relaxed. It's something that you know. D'accord? And it's not as if I will rush you. please take your time during the interview. Take your time. Think about what you are going to say. It's okay, and speak slowly. Because when you speak slowly, you take the time to think and to articulate. Okay? Articulate and speak as the way, in a way that I can understand what you are saying. Voila. So I put you some examples here, like there is I remember that in your that question, tes parents t'ont emmené à l'hôpital, raconte ton expérience, la question 17, and plus I don't want any English when you speak. No English, only French. That's why I say take your time. And here I gave you an example of response you can give to question 17. Donc, lorsque nous sommes allés à l'hôpital, tous les infirmiers étaient très gentils. Le docteur a dit qu'il voulait que je reste aux urgences pendant la nuit pour m'observer. But this is vocabulary we saw that chapter 2. Okay, when we talk about being sick. Voilà. Et puis, j'ai eu très peur de rester toute seule à l'hôpital. It doesn't have to be very long, but long enough explain. That's why I'm giving you a long sentence here. Hein, a long sentence. Voilà. Et qu'est-ce que le docteur a dit? So he said that everything was okay. Il a dit que tout allait bien, que je n'étais pas malade, ou bien il a dit que j'étais malade. Hein? Il a dit que j'avais un rhume, il a dit que j'avais une indigestion. So there are a lot of things that you can say here. Oui. Et quand je dis qu'est-ce que tu vas faire pendant les vacances, it depends on you. Par exemple, j'ai dit ici, je vais aller en Espagne et visiter Madrid, par exemple. Mais you can do something else. Hein? Vous pouvez faire quelque chose d'autre pendant les vacances. Donc voilà. And here I attached the document I just showed you. So you won't have to go back and check what I sent you. They will be right here, and they will be in PowerSchool attached with this assignment, these details for today. So you won't have to go and scout for this information. Okay, these documents. Okay, when you are done, exit ticket, and you'll have tutorial from 3:20 to 4 p.m. And as I said, don't come at the last minute, because if it's 4 p.m. and nobody is there, I will just close the Zoom. But if you come, I will be there until 4. So if you come because and you want to get help, it's okay. So come in that period, during that period of time, and if it goes a little over 3 to 4 p.m., it's fine. D'accord? Je vous souhaite une excellente journée et je vous dis bon courage et à mercredi. Au revoir.